people them I deal with. Right now, I'm there for a day. Go up on a liquor doctor appointment today. You know? Papa. On the road today, go up and look at doctor appointment and touching back. Yeah, I'm just fresh up a place and right now I just go see if I can cook some rice and some brown stew chicken. No, fish. But I don't burn nothing today. You see me? Yeah, so I have two nice size fish also. Two red snapper. I mean, but I'm going to do two them big. I just cook one. See pre, so there with me and see what I go on. See pre. Yeah, so as I say, I look for some rice and some brown stew fish. You see pre. So first of all, I get some all-purpose seasoning. I get like a black pepper. You see pre. And then I get some browning, you see, and I get like I like use like a meat sauce. It's so me. Anyway, but I get some black pepper and browning chicken seasoning and then some meat seasoning, I should say. Europe, yeah. This is what. Yo, look how I say me out. Now cook, we don't need an idea.
Oh my god, no, can you hold it for a second? I have to pee really bad.
And me there the search is soy sauce and that's why I even like have a video because I say too long me there search. And then when me find him, me end up just start everything. And Nisha just come and ask me if I vlog and I say, boy, I like coffee and I remember feed. But anyhow, me still not done cook it. But still there. Still there. Just cut up 2 little Irish and drop in there. Alright, so that's it. Plaka.
You really can't make rice?
Me all they call it. I don't make rice for you.
Me?
Oh, you're right. Stop this. Anyhow, so. As what I say, alright, that's somebody I know. Oh. Come on down. Timbits.
You know why it's called Timbits? Yeah, they. Isn't it sweet though? The chocolate one's so sweet. I have to drink water.
Oh.
Is there water in the container? Pour some water.
Yeah.
Pour some water.
So, you remember when we are Jamaican, we used to play a game on a scheme, Call of Duty, with this ship. I just don't know it.
The old one?
Yeah.
That's the one you've been trying to find?
Yeah, I made a search for long. I said I don't know which one. But, so. Dear. Color coming. Jesus. Look. Yeah? You know what I mean? This when I done here now. You see, on the fish them, I just sprinkle and liquor. Sprinkle and liquor, piece of thyme. See, settings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, is it bad frosting? I like kitchen. Look like you're going though. What? We tune in to now again when we're going to have some food. If you don't want to see food still, I drop man, I always show how I go on. But you know, so one day, I tell you what go on. So when we go do a meet and greet. What you say? You see when we go do a meet and greet, we are cook and get food.
Oh, really?
You see pre, what do you think?
Yeah.
We are cook and yeah.
The first 10 people that meet us there on time get to sample the food.
We are cook food and carry. Like make no taste.
No, you know what we should do in the summertime? Do a meet and greet, but like a barbecue meet and greet.
Yeah, so.
No, like you go like a park. You find like a park in Toronto or something.
We are do something still. You see pre. Board it up. We are checking into now again. Yeah, no.
So guys, we just got back home. We basically wasted $5 on washing the car because by the time we came back home, the car was dirty. I'm just here repacking the baby's bag because usually when I go out or after maybe the 3rd time I go out, I kind of have to like restock up like on diapers and wipes or just like reload my stuff. If you guys want me to do a video on what's in my baby bag, I'll let you guys know. I literally just went out and Nyla shit up her whole outfit and it went up straight to her back. Hence why it's so important for you guys to walk with extra clothes in your baby bag because you just never know. So now she's just here sleeping. Shh. I'm actually waiting for her to wake up because I need to go and bathe her. But yeah, we got laundry to do. That's about it actually today. We just have laundry to do and to clean the washroom. Thank God I'm done my paper. My paper is finished. I have to submit that. It means Ziggy want to film a Q&A video that we... Yeah, I'm just going to finish pack the baby's bag and tune back in with you guys.
What do? So I'm not even so. So we there, get ready. You see Nisha grandma. You see it? Big old black arsenal. We out here. Show them one more strips again. Yeah. So actually I get ready as a mess if it touch out. You know? They are freshen up my new style is free. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, so don't know his strips but you know. Up on the road look a bit now. Oh, Nisha didn't look at one video. See how Nisha didn't video them. So hi. Welcome back. No, scratch that. Initially video them 9. Welcome back to my video guys. So I'm here doing a tutorial on my hair. Today we were about to do a wig. This wig came from China. It's called a champagne. Yeah. Oh man. Nisha, I just did a I just do a react on a video with a bit for day guys. Welcome back to my video guys. So I'm here doing
Oh, you're trying to like mock one of my videos?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha.
Feature call list. Yeah, so we're doing a video from the week that is this week from Champagne, China.
Is this video really feature
Hmm?
I'm thinking when I do the review on this, I'm gonna like, with Instagram, I'm gonna like, do how many purples your hair.
Oh, see.
That way you wash your hair different.
It's next week. I went made the hair last Wednesday? Wednesday.
Thursday.
Like this Thursday? 4 days ago? Thursday.
Thursday had placement, and I was here. Let's think of Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Hasn't
Sunday.
been a week yet.
Look bad.
I look bad, no?
Yeah, so you don't know as I'm saying. That's why I saddle up. If you touch out on the road, you see free. So, as I'm saying, I will see Nisha grandma. So you want to see the youth and something. We're back home. What's up, YouTube? We're here.
After you left me downstairs,
Yo!
did you just put the camera?
That was a good road trip. Which part we got again? We got Kingston.
Toronto. Some little place called
We
Little
got Kingston in Toronto. You see, pretty. You know. So, it was a good drive
left,
out.
it was so nice though. I don't understand how.
This was good.
I'm not gonna say I don't understand how.
Cool in a place and I am understand. Yeah, know. So, I prefer saying that.
I think
We're about to watch a movie. Oh. I don't know what I'm going to history about them something here. So them something here got me hooked. Like, let me see, first time I win what? $12?
$11 or $12?
Huh?
$11 or $12?
$12, I'll say. And the second time what? 20. 17. Third time $14 and $6, $20. So I just stack up back now and then we about to run them off and yeah. So anyway, we're there after your night. Watch some show. Probably go some do pop to pop call. We not burn them this time. Make Nisha do it. I'm gonna learn one new dance, you don't know I see it. Where you go again? Where you go again? Where you go again? Oh.
Let me see.
Oh, the foot part will catch her. Oh.
Never the shoulder.
The shoulder part. Oh man, you must have to just roll it. No.
You gotta make it coordinate though.
Roll it like. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. You're never going to teach me that move there. Guala guala. I learn that dance here. See pre. Guala guala. Guala. So it's when I touch back Jamaica, I have to boss scene.
Get back and ask her.
Who?
Diana.
Diana. No man, they have to give me like a tutorial. You see pre? Like the first move. And then foot move and then.
Here.
Alright, throw me. See pre?
Hold on.
And you can't teach me a dance, anybody know it. Guala guala. I want to learn a dance, you see pre. But anyway, we're there for your side night, that's what I say.
We about to go wipe the baby down.
So mama there, so. Mom, Princess Nyla. You see pre. Don't know your shirts go. Up top.
Good night.
So, that's it for the night. I want to say, see pre, so. Man, don't click the little button there. With the belly for the new to your channel. Like, share, comment. Hey, you know, so I want to subscribe to the thing. You see, big up to all our art style fans. Them we out here. Oh.